جی میرے ساتھ موجود ہیں تعزیتی ریفرنس بسلسلہ بایاد چودھری علی اسامہ شہید جو کہ موضع گنجا میں تحصیل خالیہ گجرات میں انعقاد پذیر ہوا، اور یہاں پہ ہماری اسپیشل گیسٹ میڈم کرسٹینا with me. I want to take some comments or feeling about our Chaudhry Ali Osama. Please say about
Well, Ali Osama was highly esteemed by the international and diplomatic community of Islamabad and Pakistan.
Yes.
He was a visionary. We all knew of his projects of promoting culture and good governance, and it is a deeply felt loss that he had to depart so early. And as I said at his memorial event in Islamabad, when we think of South Africa, the first person we think of is Nelson Mandela. But Nelson Mandela lived to be 90 years old. Unfortunately, when we think in the future of Pakistan, we might not think of Osama Chaudhry because we lost him so early. It is a big, big loss for this country. It is a big loss personally for all of us who knew him, but it is a big, big loss for Pakistan as a country.
Thank you, madam, coming in our district and expressing the very so much about our hero. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.